Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix processor performance boost mode is missing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. And here in the small window called Run, you need to type for regedit. The moment you have typed that, click on OK and wait until your user account control by you and ask you to say yes. So proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running this registry editor window. Here you need to copy a path link which I'll be including at the description box below. So copy it and paste it here at the address bar. Control V, click on enter. And in case if the enter key is not working for you, you just have to follow the path here. Okay? So once you are here at this certain key that we are just looking for, you just have to proceed with the center of the screen. You can see there a value called attributes. Now double tap to it and change the value data into 2. Once done, click on OK and close this window. Once you have closed it, navigate to the start icon. Please do a right click, go with Task Manager. The moment you have the click on it, go with the processes and look for Windows Explorer. So it might be running under the apps or under the Windows processes. So simply scroll down and look for it. You can also use the search bar and search for it, okay? So once you have selected it, please do a right click and go with restart. Once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, check if your problem has been fixed. But before that, you need to restart your computer. Now there is a must to restart your computer in order to apply the actions that we have just performed in this video, okay? Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for power space plan. Wait until a best match which says edit power plan would appear. Go with open to continue, click on it, and wait again until a new window would appear. So you would be redirected to the edit plan settings where here you need to go with change advanced power settings and scroll down and there you have that. You can check if your processor power management is now appearing here in your window. Okay? So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.